only get one shot to make a great first impression. With that in mind, you need to choose Impressions Brilliant Gloss Ultra Wear Floor Finish to provide your facility with an immediate wet look gloss, outstanding wearability, and scuff resistance even in high traffic areas. The enhanced leveling and superior repairability makes Impressions an easy finish to apply for floor techs of all skill levels, and the rapid dry times increase staff productivity and efficiency. After application, Impressions can be maintained with both high and low speed equipment to ensure continued hard surface durability with a brilliant shine to produce even more positive first impressions.